everybody! Today we have this brand new can called Friskes Tasty Treasures. And we are going to be testing it out to the cats. So let's do it. Right there. That is the Friskes Tasty Treasures. And it is scallop flavor. Ooh, look at that. That looks absolutely great. Both to Lexi and Toby this time. So, let's do it. Ooh, look. Oh. For Toby now. So, yeah. So, here's Toby's bowl. And here's Lexi's bowl. And we're going to be testing it out. So let's test it out. Let's test it out by the little kitties.
Lexi's going to eat over here.
All right, Lexi. Here we go.
She's like, what is this? No. It just doesn't smell good to her.
All right, now let's try Toby. Oh.
She takes a little while. Okay, we're making progress. Okay.
Oop.
Lexi's
now. Oh,
he's sitting
Toby.
So. He's sitting so politely.
Toby.
Look, right. You want to stand over? You want to eat right there where you are? Look. There you go. You just dived right in, don't you?
Yep.
It's winter.
Toby loves
still
it.
Eating over there.
Lexi is still eating over there.
Yep.
They're both liking it, so that is a really good start.
Too bad the lighting over there is too bright.
Yeah, I think, yeah. But, you guys, look at Toby just smacking on that.
Okay.
Wow, they're loving it. Toby's just loving that. They're just cracking it up.
Okay, so that's a good one. That's a take.
Yep.
Oh, I think she's finished.
Yeah. Yep. They are absolutely
nope. Coming back.
All right. All right, you guys, that was the end of this video. Please like it. Please like Toby. Please like Daddy. And please like Lexi. And we'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.